Okay, so you have a consumer that needs for 2 periods. Now, he earned M1 in period 1, M2 in period 2. So we derive utility from what? Consumption in period 1 and also consumption in period 2. So that's why we derive utility from. Borrowing and lending are possible at interest rate R. Write down the consumer's budget constraint and illustrate his inter-temporal choice, consumption choice graphically. Okay, the budget constraint is not right for you. Okay, that's the right for you. So I think once you sum up the graph, what did the question ask you to do? Discuss the consequence of a rise in interest rate for borrower and also for saver. Okay, so we have to do this. How does the rise in interest rate affect borrower and also for savers in terms of what? Income and substitution effect. Okay, that means we show the SC and the IE. Does the savers always save more when interest rate rise? Is it possible for the supply of savings to be backward bending? Okay, so let's do it now. First, the equation of the budget line is this. That's how we have just derived. Okay? Now, of course, this consumer wants to maximize utility compared to the budget constraint. Now, next, draw the diagram graphically. This part I just showed you. This part also I proved to you. And for savers, the point A should be here. If it's the borrower, the point A should be here. This one I think, do you need me to explain all of it? Sure. Okay, so we have done this. So then, after you draw this, what did the question ask you to do? To analyze the effect of what? A rise in interest rate R. Right. Analyze the effect of an increase in R. So how to do? Tell me. R goes up. How do you do? Okay, the utility curve is shipwreck. Let's say if I'm looking at a saver, the utility curve is shipwreck. Interest rate rise. Will utility curve shift?
No.
They don't shift. Then what shift?
Budget line.
Utility curve anyway has never shift. It can never shift. Budget line shift, right? So you should know, right, your year one, what's the name of this model? What you see is what you get. See hard enough, you get everything. So just take a look. Will this line change? Well, this line is controlled by these 2 points. And so the only question is R here? Yes. So therefore, when R goes up, this point will move left or right. R right. This point will left or right? I'll go up so the whole thing becomes bigger or smaller. Smaller, so this point will move left. Agree? Okay, so I know for sure this point moves left. What about this point? Move up or down? Why you say up? Because it's not R here. So R, this becomes the will go up. And therefore, the button line will shift this way. Which person? Right or wrong?
Wrong.
Right or wrong?
Wrong.
When you say wrong, I thought move left and move out. This is not moving left and out.
Not,
Yeah.
no, I think
No?
no. I need to consider.
Not enough? Yeah? Move left, move out. Then why you say I'm wrong? You're right, you say I'm wrong, but I want to know why. You know that I'm wrong. Because you see, this is what you're endowed with. You know what's the meaning of endowment, right? It means in this life, you're endowed with a silver spoon. You are a natural born emperor. So you should have year one this income, and year two this income. No one can stop you. That is called your endowment. Understand? You're destined to be an emperor. Which means this endowment must always be there. Right? The button line shows what you can have, right? If we draw a line like this, what are we saying? You no longer be able to have what? Button E. Right or wrong? Wrong. This is your endowment. Alright? So it should be found on all your button lines, because the button line shows what you can have. Sure you can have this. If I draw this way, I'm wrong. I cannot have E anymore. You agree? Okay, so even though you shift to the